Fault management and tolerance. Fault management actually refers to a technique used to monitor and troubleshoot the networks. That means if the token is circulating is properly or not, if any station is not working, that type of monitoring and troubleshooting work will be done. And the tolerance means the ability of the network to function smoothly. If any device is damaged or any link is failed in the ring, our network should work smoothly without any fault. That is called as tolerance. This fault management and tolerance can be achieved by applying some special computers called as servers, also called as active monitors, that performs the following functions. We are using a special computer called as active monitors for this fault management and tolerance, which has to perform the following functions, such as maintain the master clock of the network, whereas other devices synchronize the time to this master clock. It will create a one master clock and all the other devices just synchronize with this master clock. If any tokens are lost in the ring or any frames are lost, it is detected by the active monitor. It also detects frames or tokens circulate on the network more than once. If the frame or tokens is sent to a device and actually that device is not working properly, in that case there is a possibility of duplicate token or frames that can also monitor by the active monitors. The token ring LANs also have some standby monitors. Standby monitors means it's a backup feature for the active monitors. These standby monitors continuously check whether the active monitors are working properly or not. If it detects some active monitors are failed, the standard monitor performs the function of active monitors. That means it will control the ring. The fault tolerance can be achieved with the help of a technique called as beaconing. What is the meaning of beaconing? I will explain with some diagram. Now we will study how the beaconing actually works. Now a frame which is actually the address to node A is circulated in the ring more than once. The active monitor just observe that frame and identifies that the frame is circulating more than once, means there may be some problem in the network. First, the active monitor check the integrity of that frame, and once it found that the frame is okay, then it will take the destination address of that frame and try to access that destination address. That means here node A. If it is not responding, then the active monitors found that this device is not working. Then the active monitor sends one frame called as beaconing frame to inform all the other devices that this node A is actually failed. So it has to regenerate a ring. So a regenerating or resetup will be done by active monitor. This node is actually removed from the ring and a regeneration will be done in this fashion. New ring will be created by the active monitor. This is called as beaconing. Now we will study some of the advantages of ring topology. Token ring. In token ring employs fault tolerance systems and is therefore extremely resistant to device failure. Means ring topology has a technique called as fault tolerance. So device failure is very less. And the second advantage is we can easily predict the performance of the token ring. We can accurately predict the token ring performance by calculating the time taken by the token to circulate on the network. The third advantage is the collision is reduced because a token passed from one device to another in an orderly manner. So there is a possibility of collision is less. The device which is having the token can only transmit, so collisions are completely avoided. It has some disadvantages also. The first disadvantage is it is costlier. The cost of setting up token ring LAN is higher than that of Ethernet LAN. The second disadvantage is more difficult to install. Token rings LANs are more difficult to install and maintain than Ethernet LANs. And compared to Ethernet, the speed of this token ring is less. That is, maximum it will transmit 16 Mbps, whereas the gigabit Ethernet can transmit up to 1000 megabits per second. So these are some of the disadvantages of token ring.